Okay, I'm at 22631 West Tonto in Buckeye, and as I approach the property, I want to let you know it's close to the I-10, so it's pretty conveniently located as far as getting to there. So now we're going to go ahead and take a look at this front area, and you'll notice how spacious it is as you enter the property. Really big area here up front. Gonna go ahead and take a look at it from this angle so you can kind of see how it flows into the kitchen, and it's flowing into the kitchen as we walk towards the kitchen, and you'll see this really good cabinet space and countertop space as well. You will notice that there's a fridge here, and that refrigerator does come with the property. Okay, so we'll take a look at it from this angle. You can kind of see the staircase there. You can see the sliding glass door here. We'll go outside and show you the size of the backyard. And you talk about size, it's a very big backyard area here. Kind of go in here, just show you how big it is into that corner. And then we're gonna walk back in here, because what's unique about this property, take a look at another angle here as this front area kind of comes to life, if you will. And let's take a look now. This is the primary bedroom, and it is a spacious primary bedroom here on the first floor. And we'll take a look at it from this angle as well. Come in here, take a look at the closet. Good sized closet here. If you look at it, you can see that good sized closet. And then we'll walk through this bathroom here, this primary. Notice there's a shower area here, and then this is the toilet area here. And as you walk out here, you'll notice that it's the front of the house. Okay, before we go upstairs, I wanted to show you the 2-car garage that this property does have. And now we will show you the upstairs. Okay, I'm at the top of the stairs here at the second floor, and if you look at this, you've got a laundry area here, and this loft area, very impressive from a size standpoint. You can look at it from where I stand, you can look at it from where I stand now, and you can look at it from where I stand here, and you can see how spacious it is, and you can imagine the various things you may do with that area. Okay, so let's take a look now. There's 3 bedrooms up here. We will start with the back one. We'll call that one bedroom A. And bedroom A is here, and you'll notice the size of the bedroom, the closet of the bedroom, and I'll give you another angle of this bedroom here. We're gonna walk out of bedroom A. We're gonna go into bedroom B. Bedroom B is here. Let's take a look at bedroom B. Bedroom B's got a closet. Nice fan here. Look at all the floors up here. You'll notice throughout the house there's not any carpet, which is advantageous. And then if you go here outside of bedroom B, we'll take a look at bedroom. What comes after B? Bedroom C. And this should be bedroom C plus, because the size of the bedroom is a nice size, good use of light here as well. And you can see it from that angle. And now we will go out and we'll take a look at the upstairs bathroom. Okay, this is the bathroom that serves the upstairs area. You can see it's a full-size bathroom with a nice size shower. Well, that concludes the tour here. And as I show you the view of the loft again, want to remind you that if you're interested in the property, you can go to rpmphoenixvalley.com. That's rpmphoenixvalley.com. I thank you for following along with me on the tour and wish you a great day wherever you may be.